I might only be a man, small man, but with one full day of professional lawn mowing experience, I think I can kick the ass of that robotic lawn mowing machine.
Yeah, like you can even find its ass, you virgin. The Luba 2 all-wheel drive 5000X from our sponsor Mamotion will turn you to mulch.
Is that a challenge?
You bet it is. And here's your first one.
Oh, great. You can mow a lawn, but can you mow a picture? And a scale drawing of the LTT logo. Why yes, I think I can. Let's go.
Linus is competing against the Mammotion Luba 2 5000X all-wheel drive, a top-of-the-line robotic lawnmower. It's equipped with 2 powerful cutting discs that provide a 15.7-inch cut width and 165 watts of cutting power. The 12-amp-hour battery allows this machine to mow for 13,000 square feet in a single charge. All of these features that Linus just doesn't have. The first challenge is all about precision. Linus will be using his push mower to mow the LTT logo into this random dude's lawn. He doesn't have all day, but the name of the game here is precision. So to help him, we provided him with these flags and tape. And we've already set a flag in the middle and at the edge of the mowing area so he has an idea of what the radius is.
For me, this is easy. I just load up the app where I can change all sorts of settings like the cut height, pattern, and mower speed. Then I hit this button and we're off to the races.
Now, I'm gonna find something refreshing to drink. He doesn't even know that we gave him a little measure thing. I just didn't tell him about it.
Damn it. Take longer steps. Okay. I've calibrated my steps. Every step like this is a meter. This is gonna be child's play. The play of a child.
Have fun. Your team has the flag. Flag dropped. Your team has the flag. Flag dropped.
Oh, I didn't even know this was here. That would have been helpful. Well, whatever, I'm doing paces now. The plan is to map out my landmarks. So that there is this corner of the circle. Shut up, circles can have corners.
So far, it looks like we're off to a pretty winning start with the robot, but I'm worried that once Linus gets going, he's gonna have a lot of speed because look at how fast that thing goes versus if you have something with like a big blade that you're pushing. I mean, at least I'm not breaking a sweat out here.
Might not look like much, but I've got the concept of a plan here with 8 flags marking the 8 corners of a circle. Let's see if I can pull this off. I mean, if the flag fits, I must have quits, right?
What's he doing? Is he not mowing?
Okay, so then straight, then gentle curve into this flag. Then steeper curve. What? How does that make any sense? Oh my God, this is way off. This isn't even close. Ah, oh, crap.
How's it going, Chief?
Great, never better.
That's good.
Oh my God, oh God, oh, okay, I'm not gonna look at that.
I'm just gonna relax real quick.
How do you relax quick? It's not really relaxing if you're doing it quickly. Boom.
Power naps. Boom.
Boom. Oh shoot, it's not even close. Oh no. Definitely getting in my steps. I had this idea where I was gonna have like the whole grid mapped out and everything. I think I give up on that. I just need to get the edges of my circle marked.
What are you doing? You're taking all your flags out.
Look, I tried precision, now I'm going free ball. Oh. See, that's what a robot can't do. Creativity.
I mean, a robot doesn't need to wear underwear, so why would it have to free ball? That's when you don't wear underwear so your balls.
This is how confident I am. I'm just going for it. Seriously?
You might have to lift it up. You might have to lift it up a little bit.
Lift it up?
No.
Oh.
The cut height.
Hey, Sean, how's my circle? Shut up.
It's very circular. There's.
Wait, is it? I don't get it. Is it in there?
Don't worry about it.
Wait, no, is it there? Oh. There, can you see it now? You gotta be kidding me. That's a live view?
Yeah, hey, there's the part of the circle right there.
What the hell? I can see it.
You can see it, and you see, it's right there. You're doing great.
We'll fix it in post.
Yeah, don't worry. I mean, bring it close to your screen, yeah. Good.
Also, what might be is that your cut height's not super even. The blade might be a little dull. I did bring a file if you want to sharpen it. I didn't know it was dull. James told me that when I picked it up from him.
I don't know how it happened, but I'm off by a whole meter from center on this side. So it's gonna be kind of egg-shaped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom.
Linus, it's almost done.
It's not about speed, Adam. It's about precision.
It's a little bit of both, and I think it's more precise than you as well.
1, 2 and a bit.
One of the advantages that the Luba has over Linus is all-wheel drive. The wheels on this thing can spin across 2 axes, allowing the mower to turn in place instead of doing that stupid little wiggle dance that you have to do when you don't have a bi-directional mower. And the wheels have enough power that this thing can handle an 80% slope. That's a steep frickin' hill. Meanwhile, the design that the Luba is mowing is shaping up really well thanks to the 3 key technologies that work together to deliver centimeter level precision. The first one is GPS. By using satellites, the lawnmower is able to cover up to
1.25 acres.
But you're probably thinking, how is that precise enough to be able to handle the complex curves of a well-manicured lawn? It's not, which is where the real-time kinematics comes in. If you've ever seen a guy in a yellow vest at the side of the road looking like this, then you've seen the godly power of real-time kinematics, or RTK. Basically, by putting a base station in a known, consistent position, we can use it as a means to correct positioning errors from the satellites that are thousands of meters away. But this system still requires both the mower and the base station to have a GPS signal. So what happens if the mower goes somewhere where a GPS signal is compromised, like under dense tree cover? That's where the Luba 2's UltraSense AI vision system comes in. Using a pair of cameras, the Luba 2 gets 3D vision, allowing it to navigate even more accurately, and it can mow in areas without satellite signals without getting lost, up to 300 meters. When the signal is restored, it can use its stored map data to get back on track. And it also allows the robot to set up visual fences with no need to lay out magnetic wires or lines for the robot to know where it should be. The only reason we set this out was just so that you could see from the sky whose half of the lawn is whose. All of this, plus smart obstacle avoidance, allow the Luba 2 to cut right up to edges within 5 centimeters of walls and to dodge any sort of obstacles that may be on your lawn. At this point, the Luba 2 has finished the entire design and is now going to go back and forth trying to mow the rest of the lawn. I guess we'll let it get a head start on the next challenge.
I finalized my plan. I'm going around with flags, and then I'm marking where all the flags are. This should give me enough landmarks that I can kind of eyeball the rest of it, I think. Okay, his robot might have been done 10 minutes ago, and that might not look like much, but wait till you see the result.
Is this the L?
No,
He's putting it upside down. It's okay, we'll fix it in post.
no L's here, boys, only W's. It's gonna fluff up this area a bit.
Did you accidentally mow too far?
That's why Jesus made erasers, all right? I'm actually pretty proud of this. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's not bad.
Took you about an extra 30 minutes, but from here it looks really good, honestly. I'm pretty impressed. It's not like as good as the robots, but...
It's also a stupid competition. Who would do this?
You,
Aliens?
apparently. I mean, maybe you're stuck on a desert island and all you have is a robot and a lawn.
Right.
Okay, this could say SOS.
I want a rematch. Just mowing the lawn.
Fine, you got a second challenge, let's do it.
Wow, I really have to be on my tiptoes too. Okay, fine. Oh man, the camera really doesn't capture it, but it's not bad. It's really not bad.
So you got absolutely destroyed in that first challenge, but you have a chance to make it up with challenge number 2. This is just a full mow, okay? Time is what's most important, but precision also matters. I want to see good lines, okay?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, that's not, I do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go faster.
Dude, all I'm missing is some cake, and then this would be a cakewalk. I'm gonna be done so much faster. I've already done as wide a path here, except I've done the entire perimeter that wide, and it's still just on the first couple passes. Take that, machines. Making Skynet my bitch. Suck it, Adam.
Yeah, okay, I'm playing Bellatra right now.
Admittedly, the concentric square dealio that I have going on here is a little unconventional, but I think I'm gonna lean into it rather than reverse course at this point. Oi! Do we have another battery for this thing?
Did you run out? Oh, we should have charged that on our break.
He hasn't even moved. He's not trying to help at all. Get this.
No, I'm trying to pause my robo. It's only fair. So this bad boy just ran out of battery, and that's something you don't have to worry about with the Mamotion because it will automatically go back to its dock to recharge itself. You don't have to think about it at all. Now, Mamotion doesn't just make lawnmowers for massive lawns. If you've got something a little bit more, well, normal size, you could always consider their YUKA lineup. It's got the same name as my cat, and just like him, they love eating grass. But Mamotion promises that this one won't vomit it up on my carpet after it's done. And they also promise that they're going to be giving away 5 of these if you just follow the instructions down in the description. That's right, you have a chance to win 1 of 5 of them.
I gotta say, as much as I'm obviously clowning on it in terms of speed, it's not by as much as I thought. Like, that should be done in a couple hours, I think, right?
Probably less. And I get to just play Bellatra. Flush 5, baby.
Let's go!
No way.
Yeah, what's up now?
No! But I put in so little effort. I'm just upset I didn't get to finish Bellatra in time. Looks good. Good job, Linus.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
That makes this a tie now.
That's a problem.
Is it though?
Because we didn't have a tie-breaking competition. Here, I have an idea. Whoever paid for this video is the winner. And that's our sponsor, Mamotion. Way to go, Mamotion. You're the winner of today's challenge.
Yeah, but I paid you.
In a last-minute upset, it turns out that Linus Sebastian is the winner. Way to go, Linus Sebastian.
Mamotion paid me.
In a last-minute upset, it turns out that Mamotion is again the winner. Woo!